जय हिंद ऑल। जैसा कि हमने पिछले लेक्चर सीरीज में पढ़ा जनरल सर्विस नॉलेज के बारे में अबाउट द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चार्ट ऑफ द इंडियन एयरफोर्स, बट नाउ वी विल मूव फर्दर एज टू व्हाट एंड हाउ अ पर्टिकुलर विंग और स्टेशन इज कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड। जितने भी हमारे एयरबेस हैं वो एक सेल्फ इंडिपेंडेंट यूनिट होते हैं। उनको सिर्फ एक पर्टिकुलर ऊपर से टास्क या कमांड मिलती है एंड दे कैन एग्जीक्यूट दैट एट देयर ओन एंड। लेकिन उसके एग्जीक्यूशन के लिए एक प्रॉपर चैनलाइजेशन ऑफ टास्क होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को जानना भी हमारे लिए काफ़ी ज़रूरी है। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। So this is the basic flow chart of the organization of a particular airbase or any particular wing or station. At the topmost part is the AOC, that is the Air Officer Commanding. Air Officer Commanding is the one-star officer. हम उसको he is also known by the rank of Air Commodore, and he is the supreme head of the particular wing or station. So after the AOC we have different units that come under him. The first being flying squadrons, second chief operations officer, third chief administrator officer, and fourth is the chief engineering officer. The flying squadron, जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया, it is only given the task to conduct sorties and to conduct the aircraft roles and aircraft actions. बट जैसे एक सोटी को प्लान करने के लिए हमको इन सभी डिपार्टमेंट्स का कोऑपरेशन चाहिए होता है. अंडर द चीफ ऑपरेशंस ऑफिसर कम्स these departments, the first being navigation, second air traffic controller, third meteorological department, fourth is operations and administration, and fifth is flight safety. आपको ये जो departments है, one must remember this, that what are the tasks that are being under the chief operations officer: navigation, ATC, meteorology, operations and administration, and flight safety. Then under the tasks or under the departments of chief administrative officers comes accounts, education, catering, security and organization. और ये जो सभी डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं, एज आई टोल्ड यू, दे आर सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी बाय देयर नेम्स. अकाउंट्स, जैसा कि पता है, अकाउंट्स का पूरा रिकॉर्ड बनाना, एजुकेशन इम्पार्ट करना डिफरेंट पर्सोनल्स को विच आर बीइंग रिक्रूटेड, थर्ड केटरिंग, मेस, देन सिक्योरिटी ऑफ द विंग और स्टेशन. जैसा कि इंडियन एयरफोर्स की अपनी एक डेडिकेटेड पुलिस फोर्स भी होती है. सो दैट all tasks come under CEDMO, that is the chief administrative officer. And not only this, the works related to environment, the works related to administration, that is coordinating between different departments, and the medical unit also come under chief administrative officer. These are the things that you must learn and must remember in regard to chief administrative officer. Now the fourth personnel is the chief engineering officer. Under him comes these departments, being first signals, second armaments, third logistics, third MCC, fourth refueling, fifth tech squadron, and last is maintenance. And MCC stand for main control center, which is in charge of all these subunits under the chief engineering officer. So this is the basic structure of how a particular wing or station work. So a organization chart has been given in your books regarding this specialized subjects, and now अब ये आपका काम है, you must learn and go through them and have a complete learning from the book. And this was all about the basics of how a particular wing or station works. Thank you. Jai Hind.